Hey there, ever found yourself eyeing that perfect something online, or maybe a last-minute bill popped up and you thought, can Dave spot me for this? If that sounds familiar, you're probably wondering about the Dave banking limit. Well, you're in the right place because we're diving deep into exactly that. Dave has become a go-to for many looking for a little financial breathing room, offering those small advances to tide you over until your next paycheck. But like any financial service, there are boundaries. It's not an endless piggy bank, and understanding its limits is crucial for using it effectively and avoiding any unexpected hiccups. So, what exactly is the Dave banking limit? The short answer is, it's not a fixed number. Unlike traditional banks that might have set limits on daily withdrawals or transfers, Dave's Extra Cash feature, which is essentially the advanced service, personalizes your limit based on a few key factors. Think of it like this. Dave assesses your financial health to determine how much they're comfortable letting you borrow. This assessment looks at things like your income stability, your spending patterns, and your repayment history with Dave, if you've used it before. The more consistent and reliable your financial picture looks, the higher your potential extra cash limit could be. For new users, the initial limit is often on the lower side, typically starting somewhere around $25 to $75. This allows Dave to get a feel for how you manage repayments. As you consistently repay your advances on time, Dave's trust in your ability to manage the service grows, and consequently, your limit may increase over time. Some long-term, reliable users have reported limits as high as $500. It's important to note that these are just general ranges, and your specific limit could fall outside of them. Dave uses a proprietary algorithm to determine these amounts, so the exact formula isn't publicly disclosed. However, the underlying principle remains: responsible usage leads to greater access. Now you might be thinking, okay, so it's personalized and can increase. But is there a maximum cap? While Dave doesn't explicitly state a hard upper limit in all their public-facing materials, anecdotal evidence and user experiences suggest that the higher end tends to hover around that $500 mark. Reaching this level usually requires a strong and consistent history of on-time repayments and a stable income. Beyond the extra cash limit, it's also worth considering the frequency of advances. Dave typically allows you to have one outstanding advance at a time. Once you repay your current advance, you become eligible to request another, provided your account is in good standing and your limit allows for the desired amount. So, to recap, the Dave banking limit for extra cash is personalized, starting lower for new users and potentially increasing over time based on your financial behavior and repayment history. While there's no officially stated maximum, the higher end of reported limits tends to be around $500. Remember, consistent and responsible use is key to unlocking higher limits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.